Hello everyone, let's begin our lesson. Today we will continue our last theme, outdoor factory service jobs 2. Our aim is to review the new words and to read the story and do exercises. Open your vocabulary books, copy out the new words and learn by heart. Listen and repeat. Waitress, librarian, shop assistant, mechanic, vet, postman, deliver, repair, vehicle. Let's do the tasks. Task 1. Write the letter of a job description next to the correct job, like the example. For example, a teacher teaches in a school. D. Task 2. You should read the story about Stephanie and answer the questions. You should answer the following questions. What is her name? What does her mother do? How old is her father? Where is their house? What do they like doing? Give full answer. And task 3, you should write true or false. For today, I gave you 3 tasks. The lesson is over. Bye.